Shout outs to Marty and Fern and my misfits who wildin'. My team on that social still beef with the dog like it's racial profiling. My
allegedly.
So what? Boy, if
it's supposed to be 13. What up, bro?
Oh yeah, because
it's supposed to be 13. Because we skipped the game. That's why.
Yeah. MSS 2018 finna go to Hoover game tonight.
Yeah.
See, I don't even know what we finna do. We might lose, win. I don't know. Hopefully we win. I ain't not trying to be our last game. But yeah. Do you hold it or press it?
Hold it.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see, man. I see. Oh, okay. Oh, and I want to zoom in. I just.
Oh yeah, you know what's going on.
Zoom.
So you
Zoom in, and I'm gonna zoom out. There we go. So, I'm ready for this game. I'm sorry for this game.
Yo.
I will see y'all.
Stay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it over. What's going on with his signal? His signal kind of dumb. Thank you. Why this man walking like he about to run and then say, nah, I changed my mind? Nah, he keep walking. He's like, I say you can get out the house. He got the house on, nigga.
Get out house.
I don't play, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I don't play.
God.
It's cold out here. And then they got the fur in them. Furry.
No! God, please, no! No!
Play.
I know you're free. Straight. Oh, yes. Oh, we got the furry.
You know what it is. Furry. I'm not taking this off. I wore this during Black Friday.
Only one ain't got no do.
You ever seen a black
Long line. You sat in that long line.
It wasn't my fault. My mama made me go. Come pops and stuff. He didn't want to come.
I'm vlogging blood. I feel like a true vlogger.
You ever seen black dude go in JCP with do-rag on?
No.
Exactly. I'm finna order. We get together. You get people on. Let me get on my face.
Ooh. I don't know what I want. I'm gonna get me a kids meal. Feel me? Boy, if you...
Fries.
Stab, stab. It's a morning for lemonade. It's a good morning for lemonade. Good morning for lemonade, right? It's on slight, it's on slight.
Oh, right.
Hey, bro. How I gotta ask for barbecue.
What?
Gotta ask for barbecue.
Are y'all in the band?
Yes, ma'am.
What are y'all playing? Huh?
Percussion.
Oh, really?
No.
I used to play clarinet in private.
Oh, okay.
Long time ago. Long time.
Okay.
Y'all show is amazing.
Happy dinner meal?
Oh, can I get barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Bro, why you so loud? Thank you. Why you so loud, bro? Dude. I need some to eat. I need some to eat. Why was Thanksgiving still need something to eat, man? Thanksgiving is just there, still need something to eat, man. Mama, what's for dinner? Leftovers? Yeah, that.
Shut up, man.
You stupid.
Yeah. What was saying, bro? What was saying? He loud too. I'll pick the seat. Feel me? Well, that's in the back, cause we black, feel me?
I like the blue better. Honestly, like
No Rosa Parks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Okay, what?
Yeah, it's a. Yeah, go. Bye.
Say it again. I can't hear you. Okay.
Just the full like that. Big first. That innovative. Let's take this dude keys.
They ain't gonna spoil kid for
You
Christmas.
got a medium.
For me?
How you get a medium? How much is in there? Fat boy. I'm so full of Thanksgiving. Oh, Kobe. Kobe Wubby. Kobe. Crackhead Bobby.
You zoom in on it.
Yeah.
Crackhead, yeah, that's me.
You stupid.
What are you doing?
Butter.
Talk about these house shoes though. What's going on?
Hey, hold on. Let me explain. Let me tell you something. Ladies and gentlemen, when it's cold outside like it is, always have a pair of furry house shoes if you don't feel like putting on tennis shoes. Especially, you know, you got to go to a game with a bunch of bums. I'm not even talking about the band. I'm talking about those old people
crazy
that stage.
Wanna go Target?
Like, they pull their glasses down.
Let's go Walmart, bro.
Let me go. Talking about them. I'm just playing, but I always have a pair of furry house
We
shoes
can do one more thing, bro.
and a gold do
It's gonna be a real vlog.
We got you.
Can we go to Walmart?
Let's
Just a
go.
Walmart. The double bear had I was watching the Foley vlog and I said that to you. It was funny. I had to come back and
How you get time? Them boys didn't even unplug it. They just put it in the truck and they took off.
That's one thing you gotta be careful with Black Friday. Don't let nobody see your TV. Don't let nobody see your PS4 or your Roku.
Oh, your
They got
Roku.
TV. Make sure I find out Roku. You put your pocket.
My grandma got a Roku.
Mama, come on.
Shut up, boy. Real talk, she did
You're
that.
not finna just go up and rate a few minutes. I'm not doing this.
Yeah, bro. We're gonna be asking questions, interview them. Be like, we're gonna be like,
This is gonna keep going.
they stay doing it on YouTube.
Spider-Man.
Shut up, bro. It's Black Friday, better trying to get them deals, boy.
He's supposed to be the black man.
Yeah. Hey, that's on. Stay out of straight. Hey, man.
I should put my tennis shoes on and you just come
Why you walking like that? Look at him.
I have no
Look at him. are you walking like that? Ew. Stop.
Stabby.
Stabby.
Stab.
Right here.
Whoa, what are we
Don't
doing?
ever do that again.
What are we doing? You looking for tape or something? Because this one we came last time for. For what? What you need tape for?
I'll do tape.
Hey, you got some white tape?
Yes.
With you?
No.
Okay, get that.
Why I need it with me right now?
Because I need to tape some sticks so they won't break
Right
them.
now?
When we
No.
in the stands. When we in the stands, I don't want to break them. Because then I'm
We'll
about.
break 'em.
I'm gonna have to buy some new ones. I ain't trying to do all that, feel me? I don't want to break them. That would make. Well, I'm about to get some new ones. I want to get in there. I want to get in. I'm gonna put the camera there. Let's go, guys. We're gonna go in there. Oh, we're out. Put that shit. I don't even know.
He said, alright, I'm going in. I'm like, no.
I did go in though.
You said it worked.
I said I went in. I went in, didn't I?
No.
Injured hip. My name's Jalen. My hip's injured.
So you gonna keep getting mad at Christian?
Tell him, man.
Stop.
Look at this dude. Kobe.
Yeah, well, I don't play.
Break this?
What's this? It's not a body warmer. There's a body warmer? Bro, you could just like, just wrap it around yourself. Don't do that. What's wrong, warm, boy? I don't even know how that works. But that's a BMW. Hey. I had a Jeep. I was looking at it. Shut up. Be quiet, man. Big stupido. No, we gotta pack it. We gotta load it. We gotta load the trucks. I really do not want to. A little bit.
Hey, bro, you know the noise this thing make? Y'all know the noise this thing make? If the next nigga come up there, it's gonna be zoom, zoom.
Hey. Oh, I did it. Boy, I really fucking.
We stupid, man. Stop. We some high school that play with that thing. It's gonna be doom.
I'm gonna go skateboard like Carson. Carson Bowles. Say Shakur. Shakur. Yeah, hard. No, these. I need me some of these, boy. Oh, boy, the Paw Patrol, boy. I need me some Paw Patrol, boy. I ain't even gonna count. Tell. Timmy, tell. Get it. Where you at? I'm gonna get it. Look at myself in the mirror first. Yeah. What is this? It's in a mirror? It's a glass. Oh, shoot.
You thought it was a mirror?
Yeah, this a mirror. Come there. Come on, punch him. I'm gonna get him. Come on.
He way over there.
I'm gonna get him. Hold up. Hey.
Stop, bro. Jalen. Get the camera, fool. Stop playing. How you gonna leave that right?
Be quiet.
The way he kept hitting you, bro, he was like, his arm did this. Like, I thought we were getting some
Yeah.
Where we going at?
Are y'all good?
No, we're going this way. Follow me. Yep.
following cheerleaders.
Yep, that's what we're doing. Psych, but I'm not creepy. They probably want to get in the vlog. But I'll see y'all in a minute. You think they want to get in the vlog? Cheerleaders? You think cheerleaders want to get in the vlog?
No, you mean get more people to watch it. What?
Ha 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 ha. It was a fake laugh. Yeah, for you, for yourself. For yourself. They low-key be sneak dissing when they give you that. Oh, I'm in a forest. Ooh, but I just came out of Narnia. I just came out of Narnia. No, all the females are Old Navy. I ain't gonna cap.
Hey, Abby.
Abby don't like you.
Dang.
Here.
What's up? Ah, this my boy right here. What's up, man?
We should've got the Color Guardian in the vlog.
Why you say like that? Color Guardian.
Oh, it's Books a Million. Books a Million.
Yeah, look at the Guardians.
Book a Million.
Nah. Let's go here.
We finna get frozen yogurt, bro. I wanna give me some queso.
You just ate.
You're right. I'm just saying that. I'm just trying to spend money, bro.
Don't do it. Hey,
go
matter of
cap.
fact, let's look for some. Let's be broke today.
I want a dessert. I want a dessert, boy.
Look up there, bro. Make sure you the top.
Mama.
Stop. Y'all heard take off the song?
No.
You right.
I'm straight.
What you say about take off? You heard
Take off.
I ain't even know.
Take off got an album?
Yeah.
For what?
Oh yeah. You
know,
know,
I
watch
think-
Rate the Bar? Rate the Bar.
Oh yeah, John Lucas rated Logic bar, and that was he said I give it 10 out of 10. Bet beat's over. John Lucas and Logic don't have any more beef.
He probably don't even know that was like.
They
have to
did.
act
They told him. It's from Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Like y'all getting into.
You built like Sriracha.
Everything.
I want some dessert,
Did
bro.
you see the one where he like he saw Takeoff's like the rapper? I don't know his name.
We should have got Chick-fil-A.
He was like, man, this is
Bro,
terrible.
exactly.
Chick-fil-A shake.
Bro, we gotta walk back, go
You
back
know
to
we
the
gotta
car.
perform tonight.
Oh, he's here.
Oh, Mark.
I ever thought anybody was as scared of me. I'll follow y'all around for the rest of your life.
I might need to go in there. In there in the Bath and Body Works.
Oh no, that's no.
I had
I get a headache every time I go in there. Every time.
Step in. All right, it's a headache for today and go home.
I'm saying. That's why I hate
Let's
like
go.
you go to the bar and not bad school.
You know, say something to her and let her know.
You had a skateboard. You broke your collarbone. Come on.
Oh wait, I saw it. It was on one of the vlogs. What was it? It was a Foley. You were like, okay, those are just the hood popcorn.
He had to
Cut it out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, give me this. No, I don't need no chocolate, bro. I need some ice cream, bro. Give me some ice cream. I'll pay back when we get back in the car.
Well,
Then why don't you come and get the car?
No ice cream for you.
I'm getting ice cream, and if when we go back, we coming back here.
we're gonna go back to the car, and then we can go anywhere you want to go get some sweet.
Yeah. That's what I just picked up. Put it down, bro. Oh, hold on, I want to see the prices on this, right? I'm trying to find the cheapest one. I'm trying to blow money. Nah, I'm playing. My mama gonna beat my butt. Hey, bro. Where they ice cream at? Put it down, bro.
Hey, bro, who the?
Gonna blow a bubble in your ass. Here goes some okie dokies. Go okie dokie. Oh, got your little ass, right? Here, give me these, boy. I'll pay that when we get in there.
Hey, bro, real deal.
Ooh, he fled it. He dropping fruit. Excuse me.
Hey, yo, Jay, thoughts of candy. I don't even know if I want the Reese's or the Jolly
That back.
Shoes,
That
you know
back.
what I'm saying? I ain't trying to have no acne. People be like, look at your face, you got titties on that knee. Nah, I don't even
Titties.
know. You got nipples.
Hey, bro, look, why is this loose? I don't like that.
they call. You know what this is called? This is popcorn. It's called nigga.
Nigga pop. Damn, why is this retarded?
$15?
What, $15? It's $7.99.
Boy, if you...
Hello, Jalen, Kobe. There y'all go.
What's that song?
Put your head on my shoulder.
Ah! Triple a roll. I can't do it.
I said it's great to be a Thompson war. I said it's great to be a Thompson war. It's great to be a Thompson. You're not talking. Are you not here?
Say it again.
Louder. You're louder. Talk louder. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Now yell.
Joseph, do not add that cowbell in and better now. Do not. I will stab you.
You better not, motherfucker.
Hey, I'll stab you. Stab. Stab me.
Stab me, motherfucker. It was almost...
Number 2, Nico Douglas. Number 6, Will Connor. Number 13, Kenneth Hurd. Captains for your Hoover Bucks. Number 3, Mary Number 41, Ben Higgins. Number 51, Kevin Gilbert.
teams all the way on the other side. We're going to have to play loud. Get ready.
I said it's bad to me, it's great, to me, okay, whoa, what did you say, Ebo, hey, before we play, when do we play?
Don't forget about the cannon.
Your 2018 Hoover Bucks.
Don't we go first? No, only supposed to go
Okay,
first.
man, get ready.
Tony, we're going to be playing. You gotta get put it like this.
Oh!
You gotta record my drum.
Here we go, get ready.
I can't see, can y'all sit down?
No, I got to
First, be ready to play.
And Reba, get us our goal.
Okay, we're going to start with a long tomahawk. Long tomahawk. Phantom, ready? One, Phantom, 1, 2, Phantom, go.
Do it! Oh! Hey! Get lit! Get lit! Get lit! You know what? What? Hey, Levi! Levi!
Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a beautiful time. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a beautiful time. Bye, have a great time. Bye.